So, buhay pa si COVID. Ang nawawala, si Miss Nicaragua. Yes, Miss Nicaragua. And obviously, she was there for the proceedings, for practice and all. Pero nagkagulo-gulo sa Nicaragua. Nagulantang ang mga tao na ito pala si Miss Michelle D ay isang heiress. Grabe rin ang pedigree. Michelle D ay isang socialite. Pero more than a socialite, napakaganda. And at the same time, malalim siya. So, kung titignan, balancing-balanse ang isang Miss Michelle D. Again, pahawakan nyo lang ng mikropono si Miss Michelle D. I tell you, all these insights will guide everyone with her graciousness. Para bang, sabi niya, enough. In other words, the heiress queen has spoken. Kalimutan ko, we already started uploading for TikTok. Parang mas gusto to kaysa sa Popeyes.
Miss Chicha is waking up.
ABS-CBN somehow has maintained that stature. Tinanong ko sa kanya, may multo ba rito? Oy mga Kuyakoy, this is Kuya Mike, ang Kuya nyo sa America, and this is for the Kuyakoy list. Happy Thanksgiving po sa lahat ng mga Filipinos na nakatira dito sa Amerika. Hopefully, masagana ang inyong Thanksgiving celebration with family and friends. Ako ay nagsusolo right now together with my mom who is just right here too, dahil supposedly kasama kami sa celebration, kasama kami na magkikita-kita ng family. Thing is, 4 sa aking mga kamag-anak may COVID. So, buhay pa si COVID. Akala ko okay na, akala ko tapos na, akala ko hindi na. So, ako naman, nagmadali na magkaroon ng COVID shot, and that was just yesterday. Ingat-ingat pa rin sa lahat. It's not as bad as before na kailangan right away na pupunta ka sa ospital. This time around, at least nakaka-survive ka sa COVID. Well, at least kasama ko kayo sa aking Thanksgiving. Again, pag-uusapan natin ang Miss Michelle D, ang ating reyna dito sa Pilipinas for Miss Universe. Pero, if naalala ninyo, vlog ko just before this, nawawala si Miss China. In year 1979, ang nawawala si Miss Nicaragua. Yes, Miss Nicaragua. Obviously, many years ago. Dahil during the time of Miss Universe, I think that was in Australia, in Perth, Australia, doon ginanap yung Miss Universe. Bigla na lang nawala si Miss Nicaragua. Actually, nandoon siya. Pero, and obviously, she was there for the proceedings, for practice and all. Pero nagkagulo-gulo sa Nicaragua dahil nagkaroon ng parang kudeta na pumasok yung Sandanista at tinanggal yung presidente nila na si Anastasio Somoza. So natakot si Miss Nicaragua for her family at siya ay umalis. Si Miss Nicaragua noon ay si Patricia Pineda Chamorro. Since then, 1979, wala nang Miss Nicaragua sa Miss Universe dahil sila ay occupied by yung mga Marxist-Leninist forces ng Sandanista. At nakabalik na si Miss Nicaragua sa Miss Universe sa year 1991. So, malaki ang agwat nung years ng participation nila sa Miss Universe. And ngayon ay meron ng Miss Universe, ang kauna-unahang Miss Universe ng Nicaragua, Shanice Palacios. Hopefully, mas open na ngayon ang Nicaraguan government sa Miss Universe. So, ngayon balik na tayo kay Miss Michelle D, ang ating Filipina na Miss Universe participant. Nagulantang ang mga tao na ito pala si Miss Michelle D ay isang heiress. Such that, yung father side ni Miss Michelle D ay mga bankers actually at nagsimula ng China Bank in year 1920. Ang kapatid ng kanyang real grandfather, yung direct ascendant ni Miss Michelle D, ay si D.C. Chuan. Siya mismo ang founder at naging presidente at chairman ng Binondo-based China Bank. Again, year 1920. Tapos, yung nakababatang kapatid ni Mr. D.C. Chuan na si D.K. Siong ay naging vice chairman, chairman at naging presidente din ng China Bank. Ito ang direct na grandfather ni Michelle D. And yung president siya in the 70s. Grabe rin ang pedigree, Michelle D. Doon sa mother side, mga beauty contestants, mga international winners. Of course, Melanie Marquez and then Winwin Marquez and then very creative, Temyong Marquez and then of course, Joey Marquez. On the father side naman, na actually naging action star din si Derek D. Yung father niya, lakas naman ng business acumen. Pero kung titignan mo yung physical form, I'm sure on both sides magaganda. Pero yung grandmother ni Michelle D at nanay naman ni Derek D na si Regina D ay isang socialite. Pero more than a socialite, napakaganda. Really beautiful Chinese mestiza. And at the same time, she is the founder of the Inner Peace Movement. Very spiritual itong grandma ni Michelle D on the father's side. And at the same time, malalim siya. So, kung titignan, balancing-balanse ang isang Miss Michelle D. In terms of beauty, in terms of attractiveness, in terms of being statuesque, in terms of yung pananalita, she has also that characteristic na magkaroon ng malalim at very spiritual side because Michelle D and her grandmother na si Regina D were really got to bond strongly, lalo na nung teenage years ni Michelle D. Again, pahawakan nyo lang ng mikropono si Miss Michelle D. I tell you, all these insights, all these thoughts will guide everyone, not only the Filipinos, but sayang lahat ng tao. That voice na mapalaganap yung kanyang isip at kung ano yung nasa kanyang puso. So sayang na sayang talaga. Grabe, sayang Miss Michelle D. But any case, I think so far, nakapagsabi na ang El Salvador or at least yung website na kung saan nagkamali, supposedly, ang Miss Universe El Salvador saying na parang nagkamali sila ng paglagay ng card na kung saan nilagay nila kasama sa top 5 si Miss Michelle D. Pero sa totoo lang, it turns out, doon sa announcement mismo, sa stage, wala si Miss Michelle D. So, nag-apologize sila and sabi nila it was just a simple mistake. And then, in a way, si Miss Michelle D, sinabi niya that shouldn't have been a mistake pero wala na talaga tayong magagawa. Ganun daw talaga. So, in other words, si Miss Michelle D, with her graciousness, para bang sabi niya, enough, wag na natin palawagin pa yung pangyayaring ito, yung pagkakamali, mga iniisip natin. In other words, the Heiress Queen has spoken. Napalampas na niya yung ganitong pagkakamali. Wala na tayong magagawa if that is what she has thought. And I'm sure nakausap na rin yung Miss Universe Philippines about this. In a way, tinuldukan niya na yung mga pangyayaring ito at yung ating mga iniisip. In other words, enough. So, in the meantime, enough na rin tayo. Again, it's been a blast talking with you regarding sa mga pangyayari dito sa Miss Universe. Again, ito si Kuya Mike of the Kuya Koy List. It's a branding and shopping channel for the global Filipino. Subscribe po kayo sa ating channel and hit on that notification bell. Again, we need more subscribers. Ito po si Kuya Mike, ang malamang nakaisa-isa at kauna-una ang affiliate marketer na Filipino-American for online stores here in the United States. At ang kuya nyo sa Amerika, this is for the Kuya Koy List. Oh, by the way, let me just add, kalimutan ko, we already started uploading for TikTok. One by one. Videos. Kung may TikTok account po kayo, may want to subscribe, the Kuya Koy List. Maraming salamat.